everyone, my name is Konstantinos Ipsas and I will present in brief the paper entitled Collaborative Maintenance in Flow Line Manufacturing Environments and Industry 4.0 Approach. The paper proposes the application of a role-centric and context-aware information distribution system in order to support maintenance activities in a foundry by delivering the right information to the right people on the shop floor. The architecture of the system follows a multi-layer approach. The various layers can be grouped together into three main categories. First, the sensor management layers that are responsible for capturing information about the production and transporting it towards the layers above. Then, the data processing and context generation layers process all the sensor data in order to determine the status of the production and produce alerts when required. Finally, the application layer feeds appropriate information to the users based on the role and the situation, including the location and task at hand. The system was deployed in the foundry of automotive industry, producing engine blocks and cylinder engine heads. The users can access the applications through their PCs or mobile devices. Information about current breakdowns, possible causes based on historical information, detailed breakdown history and maintenance logs, and machine documentation is available through the context-aware applications.